Yesterday morning, we got this incredible quarter from Eat. Yes, that's Brinker International, the parent company of Chili's Grill and Bar. I'm Masciano's Little Italy, and that's at the stock up more than 11%. It gave back some of the gains today, but still, the darn thing is up, get this, 66% year to date. Deservedly so. Brinker reported a solid set of numbers, comparable restaurant sales. Chili's up 5.6%, but we're going to hear about what that's over. More importantly, management issued a very strong forecast for fiscal year 2027. That's the 12-month period that ends next June. What makes me so confident? What makes them so confident? Simple, this is one of the rare restaurant companies that's been relentless about keeping prices low for you. I've said over and over again that this is what will separate the winners from the losers in the industry. If you can offer people a great deal like Chili's does, you'll be able to take share in this environment, which is why they're planning to get more aggressive about adding new locations. So let's check in with Kevin Hochman. He's the president and CEO of Brinker International to get a better sense of the quarter and where his company's headed. Mr. Hochman, welcome back to me, buddy.
Hey, thanks for having me on the show.
I love you being here personally.
I enjoy being here, especially after such a great quarter and a great fiscal year for Brinker International.
Okay, well, first people should know this. I said 6%, whatever. They need to know what it's so-called over. Can you explain to them that you can't just look at 1 year? You have to know previous years to realize how great that number is.
Yeah, we were a +6 on Chili's. We were rolling over a +20 from the previous year. This is where the numbers get crazy. Our 3-year stack was a +50 same-store sales, and our 5-year stack was over 70%. These are numbers that are unheard of for any brand, let alone a legacy brand. And we're just doing it with great food, service, and atmosphere. And that's what we're going to continue to do for the American consumer.
Now, let's talk about the concept of $10.99. Okay, when I go to your place, I cannot believe I can get a big burger or the new crispy chicken. I get the salsa. I get the bottomless Coke. I get the fries. I think you must be losing a fortune on that. But that's not true.
Well, here's the beauty of our business is that everybody comes to Chili's, all walks of life. And so some come and they want that $10.99 meal, and we get an unbelievable amount of food. You get great service. The food tastes great. But others want something a little bit more premium. And as long as we meet all of the consumers' needs, we can make enough money to make that work. And I will tell you, we have price certainty in the market. We've been running the $10.99 campaign now for 4 years. The consumer doesn't need a coupon. They don't need an app. They don't need to come a certain time of day. They know they can come to Chili's and get an amazing value, and that's why we're winning in the marketplace.
Okay, so how did you do it, even though we went through a period, not this last month, because we saw the numbers, of tremendous food inflation, but you held the line? People are going to remember that, aren't they?
Well, they are, and as long as we continue to give them better food, service, and atmosphere, and we continue to grow traffic sustainably, we'll be able to keep those prices and make money for our shareholders, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're building the business the right way with volume. We're building it sustainably, and that's why we've had 5 years of unprecedented growth.
Now, you do something else, as I know from formerly running Bar San Miguel. It's almost impossible for me, when I was running it, to offer a very good margarita with the top shelf tequila for less than $12. Yours is half. How do you do it?
Well, again, it comes to making sure we have all things for all people, right? So if you come to our restaurants this month, we have the Shark Bite Margarita for Shark Month, and it is a beautiful margarita. It's got El Jimador tequila, which is a name brand tequila. It's got house-made sour. It's got all the things that you'd want in a great, and it's big. It's not like a little tiny thimble or anything. Like, this is an amazing value. But we also have things we call margaritas with benefits. So you can get a skinny margarita. You can get our El Presidente, which is our one that comes with the extra blue shaker, and that's a little bit more expensive. And it goes all the way up to Casamigos and Don Julio, and that's more expensive than that, right? But the reality is, as long as we meet all of those customers' needs that want those margaritas, we can make money on the margarita lineup, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're now the #1 alcohol brand in the United States.
It's incredible.
For restaurants, and we're doing that because we have great value all across the barbell.
Now, one of the things you do, you'll add something on the menu, and then you'll see, first it has like 25 a day, and then there's 50 a day, then there's 100 a day. Now, is that social media that gets the word out? Is it TV? How do you get the word out? And when you get the word out, are you going to go big on the NFL, or is it better just to do social media now? Because I know your social media is fabulously successful.
Okay, there's a lot in that. So let me just start with, it starts with great value. You can do all the social you want. You can do all the NFL TV you want. If the food isn't abundant and it isn't great, people aren't going to come back for it.
Right? True.
And that's what we did to fix. We started with burgers. We've done our chicken tenders. Now we're launched that big crispy chicken sandwich for $10.99.
Right.
It's 80% bigger than the leading fast food chicken sandwich. And when you get that sandwich with fries, bottomless drink, and bottomless freshly made chips and salsa, that is going to be a winning occasion, right?
Yes.
So we've nailed that, and then we advertise in different ways. So We advertise a lot on social. We have the best marketing team in the entire industry.
You absolutely do, and I know that from doing some work on you guys.
But we also do have broad-scale awareness on national TV. We do a lot of live sports. We do a lot of streaming shows. We are wherever the customer is going to be. They want to hear about our 1099 value, and that's why we're winning.
Well, let's talk about the tough thing of being in the restaurant business. It's there by the grace of God, but you can have illness, and we saw it at Chipotle about 9 years ago, and now we're seeing it with the cyclospora with lettuce. So what do you do? What do you do when you don't have it, but you got to be sure you don't have it?
Well, we're a professional organization. Right. You know, we partner very closely with our suppliers. We know everything that's going on in the industry. Obviously, when anything crops up, our people are directly on it, and I feel incredible about our food safety program, and there's absolutely nothing that I ever think about that we aren't doing really, really well. So I just say, just continue to put the right resources against it, put things on when things come up, and we're not going to have issues. And that's what's happening right now.
Okay, could you tell people about your coaching tree, where you came from, so people know? Because I think I hear a lot of people coming from the same coaching tree, and so winning one.
Well, it's been an honor. You know, I spent 18 years at Procter & Gamble. It is a bastion for leadership, right. and I had the honor. My wife, Ann, was also a great marketing leader there, and we learned everything that we know. And there's, a huge, amazing coaching tree out there. Obviously you got Brian, who's doing amazing things at Starbucks.
And we're talking about Brian Nichol. I always tell you, if you bet with Brian Nichol, sometimes you got to bet the jockey, not the horse. Brian turned that place around.
Oh, yeah. He's amazing. I learned a ton from him.
Well, he turned it around. We're 2 places now, because he turned around Chipotle. I thought what he did at Young was great.
Yeah, and I learned a ton from him. Think about what he's doing at Throughput and making Starbucks the third place. Yeah. That's exactly what we're doing at Brinker right now and at Chili's. People want it to get together. They don't want to spend a lot of money doing it, and Chili's can be a great place for them to do that. And us, now that we have so much traffic coming in, our new thing is about how do we continue to reduce cycle time, get throughput through the box, and we're doing an amazing job. We keep getting ticket times are now at an all-time low. Guest experience is at an all-time high, and we're going to continue to win as long as we continue to do those things.
And, we had Cisco on this week, and I had to tell, the networking this morning, but the Cisco food, people are going out more than ever. I could not believe how the numbers are still going up.
Yeah, this is post-COVID. People want to get back together. Right. They want a place that they can...
They remember what happened, because why is COVID still thought of?
Sorry?
Or they just seem to remember what they want to just have more fun? What did COVID do that made it in people's minds that they've changed the way that they lead their lives?
Well, I think it was a thing that it made people, kind of be concerned about going to dining rooms. That is over, right?
Right.
And we had some restaurants that bet on all digital. Let's take out the servers. Let's put in kiosks. And then we went the opposite direction. We said, let's hire more employees. When I started, we were at 50,000 plus employees. We're now at 85,000 plus employees because we put more labor and more people to serve the guests, whether it's bussers, whether it's food runners, whether it's servers. And that's why people are having an amazing experience at Chili's. So, I'd say some people went the opposite direction.
Right.
Let's take dollars out of the dining room. We went for it, and it's worked out amazing.
Well, we've had more than a triple since you've been on. And I think it's not only that, though. I like mine. And I got a real good one off of 10. That's my Jersey one. You'll see me there. I wear a suit there. They always laugh about that. That's Kevin Hochman. He's president and CEO of Brinker International, EAT.
Coming up, worried about the movement in Cisco? Have no fear. Cramer's here to explain what's going on. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.